Now let's look at the word customer co-creation. What is customer co-creation? Customer co-creation is when the customer helps to create content for a brand. Creating content for a brand could mean tutorial videos about the company's software, review videos or blog about the company product, written reviews of the products and or services. Co-creation ensures that the company alone is not responsible for creating the content necessary to promote their brand and attract new customers. Their customers help them generate content which might partially alleviate the need to constantly produce content in-house.